Hello and welcome to the Wyndham Grand Athens. I'm going to give you our traditional room tour. So we just checked in. I just got off an 11-hour flight. I'm a little busted, but I'm still here for my people. Also, it is a casual room tour. I took off my shoes. I'm sorry, I do apologize, but I did what needed to be done. I needed to feel free and comfortable.
To check prices on this hotel or other area hotel, scan this QR code to visit Expedia.com.
Speaking of comfortable, look at this lovely king bedroom. It's not bad. Okay, I'm gonna say it's a little on the smaller side, but it is a city hotel and it's right in the middle of the city, which is fantastic. So you do have, I checked out the bed. It is, well, I wouldn't say I'm floating on a cloud, but you know, I'm gonna get a good night of sleep after sitting on a plane for 11 hours wide awake. I was wired on the plane. I don't know what I was doing. Oh, I had a coffee at one point, and then I started thinking of who all my teachers were in elementary school, and I was planning on taking a nap, but then I couldn't remember the name of my 4th grade teacher. I think it was Miss Anderson or Miss Harris, and it really bothered me. So then I spent about 2 hours thinking of that. But anyway, this is the view. It's not bad. You can actually see the Acropolis from our room. Athens is kind of flat, so there's not a lot of tall buildings in the city. This is probably one of the taller hotels, actually. It's right in the middle of the action, though, and it's a few blocks away, walking distance to all the major shopping intersections and tourist attractions that you would go to in Athens. So here in the room, it's pretty well equipped. You got 2 nightstands, lovely little outlet set down below. You got your little adjustable lighting if you like to read, if you're a dork. I don't read, I just watch TV. It was time for books. Nice little sitting chair that, well, I don't know if it's nice. This is some Danish, this little IKEA piece right here or something. It's okay. Whatever, at least there's a place to sit. But you do have a nice, lovely space to put all your belongings. We won't get into it. But anyway, we got a nice closet. We got a nice little mini bar. Oh, I haven't actually opened it yet. Oh, wait a minute. There's nothing in there. But don't panic, because we brought our own bar. Hey, we're having a party later and you're invited. All you gotta do is like and subscribe. Now go see it. Cheers. Thanks for liking and subscribing. We appreciate your business. Also in the closet, we've got a safe, we got your iron, you got your ironing board. Oh, and I discovered this little thing. There's some shoe polish if you're getting really fancy. Not me, because I'm in socks, but if you're wearing shoes, you can use this to gussy up a little bit. You also got your shoehorn and your slippers. I think that you can probably take these. It doesn't say you can't, so have at it. There's also a laundry service in case you need that, and a shoehorn. We've discussed this, Tony and I have discussed this. I've never seen anyone use a shoehorn. I don't actually know what it does, but we're gonna play with it later. That sounded weird. We can cut that in post. Also, there's a safe. So Athens itself is a pretty safe city, but I would keep your passport and some extra credit cards and cash in the safe just in case. You never know what could happen in a big city. So yeah, lots of closet space, lots of shelves for hanging all your clothes and belongings. And then the bathroom itself, and there's some lovely art from Ross Dress for Less Athens edition. I think this is a dragon. We are still deciding, TBD.
I think it's a hang glider.
Maybe it's a hang glider.
Or a bat.
Maybe it's one of those Greek gods everyone talks about. Oh, and I'm also meant to open the video. I usually open the video with the language, but Google Translate doesn't have Greek for some reason. I don't actually know how to say hello in Greek. The only word I know is ompa, and that involves breaking a glass. And I don't break glasses. I need them for my vodka sodas. In here, we have our bathroom. It's pretty small, but it'll do. It has a, sorry. Come on in. It's got some nice little, what do you call it? Toiletries. You got your soaps, your shampoos, Lots of little vanity kit kind of things, which is nice. This is actually a Zeus hotel property. I'm not sure what that means. I think it's some sort of partnership with Wyndham. I've never actually stayed at a Zeus brand, so excited to stay here for the night. There's also a hairdryer, and you got a lovely little walk-in shower. Oh, I love this. Oh, it's a rain shower. Oh, and this is kind of unusual for a European hotel. There's a full glass door. What a novelty. Sometimes in European hotels, actually most of the time in European hotels, it's actually a half glass. So I'm excited about this, that I'm not gonna flood the bathroom. So overall, Wyndham Grand Hotel, it's not bad. It's right in the middle of the city. Also, there is, I think, 2 restaurants on property, so you can go and grab a little bite. You can grab some room service. You can grab a little cocktail if you want to. There's also a pool and a gym. There's also a spa, so you can get buffed, polished, fluffed, painted, happy endings, all the things. And there's also a business center, so you can send a fax afterwards. So Wyndham Grand Hotel, it's about a 3.5 out of 5, I would say. It's not bad. It's not great, but the price was right, and it looks like a comfortable stay for the evening. And the room was clean. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Now Go See It for more hotel reviews and all the guides to all the cities we visit.
For current prices on this hotel and other Athens options, scan this QR code to check prices at Expedia.com.
Now go see Wyndham Grand Athens.